I'm Chef Isaac from Cuisines by Isaac, and today we're going to discuss how to make Irish soda bread. Okay, now for this step we're going to prepare our egg wash. What we're going to do is I'm going to take myself an egg here, and I'm going to just use the egg yolk. So what I want to do here is just slightly crack the egg, like so. Then I want to just let the white of the egg sort of come out, saving this top portion here so that I can, just like that. Now I have just the egg yolk. I want to take my egg yolk. I have about a fourth of a cup of water, and I'm going to put just the egg yolk in the water, like that. Then I'm going to take my whisk, and I'm going to whisk it together.